Living in Beijing isn't easy. Many challenges arise, gradually reducing one's mental and physical health. One way to overcome these challenges is sound healing. Every fortnight there is a crystal bowls sound spa in Beijing. The sound of the crystal bowls can correct imbalances on every level of physiologic functioning and helps individuals to connect with the universe. Initially, the teacher plays the crystal bowls at the front of the room. Then she walks around, giving each participant individual attention. All participants need to do is close their eyes, lie down, and let the sound heal.
Well, this was my first time. I'm usually very animated and all over the place. I had a lot of collateral noise in my mind, and right now I feel, as we say back in California, very chill. My zen is very, very chill.
It's my second time participating, and after the session I feel so blessed. It's just undescribable.